Welcome to Podere Cimbolello. Hi, I'm Elizabeth, and from this peaceful garden, I'll guide you through an organic wine and oil estate in the gentle hills of Umbria. Stay tuned to enjoy the tour. Podere Cimbolello is located just outside the historic village of Città della Pieve. Surrounded by over 5 hectares of land, it's a truly peaceful and private location where you can disconnect and enjoy nature.
The property includes 2 separate apartments apart from the main farmhouse, perfect for welcoming friends, family, or guests, while still preserving everyone's space and independence. The entire property reflects a deep respect for the environment. Green building techniques were used in the most recent construction, and the land has been managed using sustainable and innovative agricultural methods.
Here, every detail speaks of the land, from the tomatoes grown just outside the kitchen to the organic olive oil in the estate's very own olive grove. Simplicity becomes luxury when it's this genuine. Let's discover the property's features and its people-friendly spaces.
The property dates back many decades and carries the charm of rural Umbria. Simple lines, natural materials, and a strong connection to the land. On the upper floor, you'll find an apartment of about 130 square meters, which includes 2 bedrooms, 1 bathroom, a spacious eat-in kitchen with fireplace, and a cozy living room. The layout is traditional and warm, and the structure is solid and full of potential.
Attached to the main farmhouse, you'll find an additional 2 apartments, perfect for hosting your family and friends.
Each unit includes a bedroom, a bathroom, and a fully equipped kitchen. Built in the early 2000s with great attention to insulation and traditional materials, these apartments have been carefully maintained and improved over time. In the same building, you'll also find a charming kitchen near a wood-fired oven, a covered outdoor dining space, and a barbecue area, perfect for sharing meals outdoors with family and friends.
And here we are with the newest addition to the estate, a beautifully handcrafted apartment built in 2018.
Entirely built from the ground up using a wooden frame and bioarchitecture principles, the property's finished with hand-laid stonework and high-quality natural materials. Outside, there is a lovely patio with a retractable canopy and a 20 square meter covered porch, perfect for enjoying the garden year-round. One of the best things about living here is being just a few minutes from Città della Pieve. You can reach the historic center in less than 10 minutes. The property is close enough to enjoy everyday life, yet far enough to feel completely immersed in nature. Città della Pieve is a town full of charm, with medieval streets, welcoming cafes, and a strong sense of community. Whether you're shopping at the weekly market, having an espresso in the piazza, or visiting one of the many cultural events, there's a simple joy to everyday life here.
At Podere Cimbolello, you're surrounded by nature, but never isolated. Here, you can really learn to appreciate the smaller things in life. Take a minute with me to discover the sounds of surrounding nature. Thank you for joining us today, and I hope to see you here soon. Subscribe to our channel for more property tours and exclusive testimonials with great estates.